Hello and welcome back to MakerMatt. Welcome back to my workshop. Today we're going to be looking at making a gnome or a gnome or gonk, whatever you wish to call them. Got some wood here, ready to go, ready to make it. So let's get cracking. So the first thing you got to make is the body. I'm going to use this. Can't remember what this weighs. Hold on. It did say somewhere. But as you can see, I've tried milling it and yeah. So let's get this round, then we'll make it. We have a body, first part, brilliant. Right, okay, next up we need to make a hat. The hat I'm going to make out of a piece of elm, which I have mounted on the lathe now. So we got to get on with that. So let's crack on. Okay, so we have that roughed out now. We can see we've got a nice circle here, brilliant. Now I want to try and get that into the chuck. So I need to try and flatten the side there, and then we can start making the hat. Let's go. Okay, that's all the turning done now, which is cool. Also done all the sanding. What we've got to do now is put all this together. You see we've got a hat, a body, we've got the top of the hat and a nose. And I've also got to decide on what kind of beard I'm going to give him. So what we're going to do now is probably head inside and I'll see you there. Well, we're inside now. So now we're going to glue it all together. And here it is, my first gnome. Now, I'm not particularly impressed by it, but it is what it is. For a first attempt, I don't think it's bad. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. Here she is. Or he, or it, they, them, whatever.